Turkey is serious about becoming a stronger military force. They're spending a lot of money, $10 billion to be exact, on their army. But it's not just about having a lot of soldiers. Turkey wants the newest and best fighting vehicles. Their goal is to be the strongest military in the area. This has everyone's attention. Experts are watching Turkey's every move. Everyone knows this will change things in the region. Turkey's neighbors are paying close attention as Turkey's army gets stronger. The most important part of this plan is getting brand new armored vehicles. These vehicles are built for modern warfare. They have the latest technology, powerful weapons, and strong protection. This shows that Turkey wants to be a major military power. They don't want to rely on other countries for weapons anymore. Turkey wants to build and sell its own weapons on the world stage. The Altay tank is leading the way. This impressive machine shows how skilled Turkish engineers are. The Altay is built to be as good as the best tanks in the world. It shows that Turkey is serious about protecting itself. The Altay has a very powerful cannon, a 120mm cannon. This gives it enough power to fight against any enemy. The tank also has very strong armor. This armor can protect it from many dangers, even anti-tank missiles. The Altay is also very good at moving around. It can easily travel over difficult land. This makes it very useful for different types of battles. But the Altay is more than just a tank. It's like a computer on wheels. It can talk to other units on the battlefield. This gives the Turkish army a big advantage in battle. The Altay is not the only new vehicle. Turkey is also getting other armored vehicles. These include the Tulpa, which is like a battle taxi for soldiers, and the ZMA-15, which carries soldiers safely. Each vehicle has an important job in Turkey's new and improved army. The Tulpa helps the Altay in battle. It carries soldiers and shoots at the enemy. It has a big gun and missiles that can destroy other tanks. The ZMA-15 keeps soldiers safe as they travel through dangerous areas. It protects them from bullets and bombs hidden on the ground. The ZMA-15 can also be changed to do different jobs. Turkey is also investing in robot vehicles for the army. These robots can do many things on the battlefield, like scouting enemy positions and even fighting. These robots are becoming more and more important in modern battles. They help keep soldiers safe from danger. Section 4. Ankara's strategic goals. There are many reasons why Turkey is investing in these new vehicles. Firstly, Turkey wants to stay safe. There are many dangers near Turkey's borders, like the war in Syria and the problems in Iraq. Secondly, Turkey wants to be a leader in its region. Turkey sits between Europe, Asia, and the Middle East, which makes it a very important country. Turkey wants to have more say in what happens in the region. Thirdly, Turkey doesn't want to rely on other countries for weapons anymore. In the past, other countries have refused to sell weapons to Turkey. This made it hard for Turkey to protect itself. Turkey wants to be able to build its own weapons. Finally, Turkey wants to improve its own weapons industry. Building these new vehicles creates jobs and helps Turkey's economy. Turkey also hopes to sell these vehicles to other countries. Section 5. Shifting sands. Turkey's evolving role on the world stage. Turkey's decision to build new and powerful armored vehicles is a big deal for everyone. Turkey is becoming a major military power. This is changing the balance of power in the region. And the countries around Turkey are watching closely. Some are worried about Turkey's growing army. Others want to work with Turkey on building weapons together. The rest of the world is also paying attention. What Turkey is doing might encourage other countries to improve their own armies. Turkey's rise as a military power is complicated. It's important to understand that Turkey is doing this for many reasons, like wanting to be safe, wanting to be a leader, and wanting to build its own weapons.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.